You only need four earthquake spells to destroy any kind of level walls. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's any kind of walls. It doesn't matter what kind of level they are. Watch this. Come on. Alright, let's attack this low level player. Look at those walls. Level 1 walls. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bullshit, right? It's bullshit. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it doesn't matter what kind of walls you have. Just take a level 2 earthquake, and you'll be good with it. Oh, and you can't damage. You can't do any damage on the heroes with the earthquake. Watch. Trying to kill the queen. No damage whatsoever. Look at the ground. See the town hall. I'll post another video later on today. I'm gonna wrap it up with that one.